Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm at Knott's Farm and I'm waiting for my friend Kimberly to come, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Okay, I'm with Kimberly, and so we just got off the first ride of Ghost Rider. It was fun. Now we are going to the bumper cars next. So far, me and Kimberly are having fun. We ran on 3 rides. We went on Ghost Rider. Okay, we went on Ghost Rider, the swings, and we ran on bumper cars. So yeah. Yo, Kimberly, are you having fun? That's good. That's good. So far, we just got off Pony Express. It was fun. Now we're going on Lava Evolution, which is on one of our favorite rides. And oh yeah, we got off on this other ride. I forgot what it's called, but oh yeah, we went on Jaguar. So yeah. Okay, so we finished eating our food. Like I showed you in the last clip, we had ticket tenders and fries. It was good. How was your food, Kimberly? It was good. Now we're going on the swings again. So yeah. Me and Kimberly are going on the bumper rides again. Yeah, we're going on the bumper rides again. It's already like 3 minutes past 3. Today was fun, and yeah, it's a little hot today, but at least we have fun. That's all that matters. Okay, we just got off the scrambler. We are going to our last ride of the day. Last ride or 2 or whatever. But anyway, today was fun. How was today, Kimberly? It was good. Yeah. Right now we're going on Ghost Rider, which one of our favorite rides on Knott's Farm. Okay. That was the last ride of the day. So far today was a good day. Oh yeah, we went on Sierra Sidewinder again. Anyway, today was a good day too. Today was fun. And before I log out, end this video, I just want to let you guys know that this is the last Knott's Farm vlog for a while. Then next year, I'm switching over to Disneyland. So you can see a lot of Disneyland vlogs on my channel. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.